to launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Meet Rusty and Ruby, two of the brightest young inventors in Sparkton Hills.
Do we have any turbo shovels?
No, we're just going to need a little help from our crew. Gather around me, hearties. We be going on an adventure for treasure. We are.
Let's just go.
Okay.
They're always building amazing new machines to help on their adventures. With the help of the bits, Whirly, Ray, Jack, Crush, and of course the mighty Botasaur.
Botasaur, how fast can you get my robo arms here? Botasaur? Whoa, pretty fast.
No problem is too big for this gang to handle.
Modified, customized, rustified. The Super Bit Fix Trap Action Contraption 5000.
Woo! Yes!
I have no idea what you two are planning, but I've got to say, I like the sound of it.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.